Hello from the Bureau with an update on a cloud band that is pushing into eastern parts of Australia and a series of cold fronts that are brushing through southern parts of the country. So here it is, that cloud band, and it brought really unseasonal rainfall to northern parts of WA and central Australia over the weekend, but it's now drifting into eastern parts of Australia. So it's mostly cleared eastern parts of South Australia over the last few hours, but that's not before delivering really welcomed rainfall, particularly through the southeastern quadrant. And now it's moving into southwestern parts of Queensland, New South Wales and northern parts of Victoria. Falling as snow about the alpine areas, so that's great news for the resorts there, with the heaviest rainfall totals expected about the southern interior of Queensland and the northern interior of New South Wales, with 20 to 40 millimetres possible and even some lightning strikes. Now we've also got this really weak cold front that's just brushing through the southern tip of WA, bringing showers there. And as we move through till tomorrow, we see that rain band contracting to the northeast and clearing the Sydney area during the morning. Now we have a much stronger front out in the west that's forecast to push through the Perth area during the afternoon, bringing really gusty winds, showers, and even the potential for severe thunderstorms, bringing damaging wind gusts about the coastal fringe. Now there's also this secondary front down here crossing Tasmania with a similar story. Gusty showers, even the potential for severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts about western parts of Tasmania as well. But as for that rain band, it really starts to weaken, and as we move into Wednesday, we can see it starts to contract up into central parts of Queensland, while another front out in the west brushes across, bringing more showers and more wind as well. In fact, it's this front here that if we move through, it pushes into southeastern parts of the country during Thursday and Friday, including Adelaide and Melbourne and Tasmania, with also the potential for more snow about the resorts. After that, a ridge of high pressure really starts to build through as we approach the weekend. Temperature-wise, a really frosty morning tomorrow throughout the southeast. That's where that cloud band is cleared, allowing the temperatures to plummet. Much milder under the cloud band and out in the west. Maximum temperatures for Tuesday in the mid-teens through the southeast, grading up to the low 20s as we move further north and to the west as well. Now Wednesday morning will be particularly mild out in the west, with minimum temperatures between 4 to 6 degrees above average, while in the east those frosty conditions will start to push up into southern Queensland. And Wednesday, starting to warm up a bit throughout the southeast, with temperatures in the mid to high teens, considerably warmer, 4 to 8 degrees above average, starts pushing into the central parts and western parts of Australia. So if you're wanting to know more about what's going on in your neck of the woods, then you can visit the Bureau's website, app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.